Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2014 Mercedes C300 Luxury. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Even with 62,000 miles on it, it still looks brand new. Previous owner took care of this really well. This one's fitted with the 3.5 liter V6, producing a ton of power. Harman Kardon audio sounds phenomenal. Interior is beautiful as well, which is to be expected with a Mercedes-Benz. All right. Got two main modes, Eco and Sport. We're gonna keep it in Sport today. I personally love this steering wheel. It feels phenomenal to hold. No complaints whatsoever. I love all the interfaces. They're all really nice to use. I mean, keep in mind, this was a top-of-the-line luxury car back in 2014. On the highway, everything's really quiet. No excess wind noise, not a lot of tire noise. Really nice. Even though this one is focused on luxury, it's still really fun to drive. Something I really wasn't expecting. But then again, shorter wheelbase, a lot more nimble. You do have a manual mode, no paddles in this version, but you can just use the stick here itself. Personally, I love the white gauges. My personal car has white gauges. It just adds a little bit of contrast, and it's really pretty. steering feel is phenomenal. It's light, but still really, really nice. Get a lot of feedback. Sport mode does not change steering weight, so it's good that they got it right. That's where this car is phenomenal, is these back roads. It's really, really surprising me how fun it is to drive. The amount of torque this thing has is phenomenal. The seats do hold you in very, very nicely. And they're also very comfortable for longer hauls. I could do a road trip in this and be pretty comfortable. Up to our suspension test now. Does perfectly fine. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.